Samsung's next big Galaxy Unpacked event is just around the corner, and this time the spotlight isn't only on the company's foldables. The Galaxy Watch 8 series are making waves too. Thanks to fresh leaks, we now have our best look yet at what Samsung is cooking up for its next generation smartwatches. According to trusted leaker Evan Blass, Samsung is introducing not one, not two, but three new models in this lineup, consisting of the Galaxy Watch 8, the Watch 8 Classic, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, aka the Watch Ultra 2. This marks the first time that Samsung is packing a full trio into its main smartwatch lineup, and things are definitely getting interesting. Blass dropped high-resolution renders of the trio, giving us clearer details than ever before. Starting with the standard Galaxy Watch 8, this one keeps it clean and modern, with a squarish silver base and a circular dial. It features a simple black bezel and two side buttons, offering a no-frills, sleek design. On the other hand is the Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. Built tougher and chunkier, the Classic version goes for a two-tone silver and black finish and brings back the rotating bezel. A new orange quick access button, possibly customizable, sits between the usual two buttons. And as for the specs, leaks point to a single 47mm size, a 1.5-inch display, and a 450 mAh battery. The third member is the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2025, intended to be the successor to the Galaxy Watch Ultra released last year. It shows up in deep blue with a smooth silver bezel and a rugged, premium build. While it may or may not have a rotating bezel, it features the same two side buttons along with the orange quick button seen on the Classic. But it's not just about looks. Samsung is reportedly adding new health and fitness capabilities too. Think improved sleep tracking, smarter running analysis, and a new sensor for tracking carotenoid levels, which could help monitor nutritional health, all of which will be powered by One UI Watch 8. Thankfully, these new software features aren't exclusive to the Watch 8 series. If you own a Galaxy Watch 5 or newer, you'll be able to test them out soon via the upcoming software rollout. That said, for all the latest news regarding the upcoming Galaxy Watch 8 series, then consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.